Engaging.
Vibrant.
Future-oriented.
Impact.
It's all about collaboration.
Fast and accurate.
Supercharge the travel industry.
It's an opportunity to look forward.
And ready to tackle the future.
Various people from all over the world are coming together here to talk about technology, trends, AI, the new generations becoming travelers.
We're at the LCC General Assembly 2025. This is all about how we can impact the travel industry.
Agencies across the globe coming together to make plans how to achieve better results in the future.
We are guiding these entrepreneurs through the challenges of today and of the upcoming future as a team.
You want to make an impact, so how do you make a difference so that you stay top of mind? That's what we're really here for, is to support the travel agencies in being prepared for the next generations.
78 countries involved in this conference, all coming together. There's a lot of energy in the room and a real great young, fresh vibe.
This is more than a conference because we are, as travel agents, experience not only the content of the conference, but the destination itself. And I'm absolutely fascinated of what Malta delivers.
This is so much more than a conference. It's exploring the destination that we're in. We get to see beautiful Malta. Just really wonderful, welcoming, aesthetic locations. There are networking opportunities through coffee breaks and lunches and dinners, very elaborate dinners. It's been a really great way to meet people from all over the world.
It's very exciting to talk to more experienced agents, to get to meet other partners around the globe.
It's a big opportunity for getting new connections, new business. You connect with so many other partners, and so you know that wherever it is, that you have a trusted partner that you can connect to.
LCC is like a big family. It connects all of us all over the world. We are united together.